This is the skill for hand wash. The hand washing is a very important part of the medical field because it creates a field of protection against infections. The first thing that we have to do is make sure that we're standing in a position where we're not too close to the sink. And we have to first open up the faucet and regulate the temperature of the water. At no time, your hands can touch the inside of the sink. So we're regulating the water, and as soon as the water is warm, we're going to rinse our hands first. And then we're going to take soap as big as the size, 3 pumps, or as big as the size of a quarter. We're going to begin to create lather. And we have to do friction with soap in our hands for over 20 seconds. When I start seeing the lather, I'm going to go over my hands. And we're going to count 20-second friction. Over my hands, up to the wrist, up to the wrist, and over our hands, over and over again, until we cover both hands up to the wrist with soap. Then we're going to clean our cuticles in rotation motion, clean our cuticles between our fingers. Then we're going to go under the nail, clean up under the nail. And then we're going to continue to go over it with friction. And if we count happy birthday twice or the ABCs twice, we make sure that we have over 20-second friction. To rinse, we do one hand at a time from the wrist down to the tip of our fingers. You can use the thumb to go in between and make sure that we remove all soap. And after you feel all the soap is gone, we're going to start drying our hands while the water's still running. I take 3 pieces of paper and I go in between our fingers, making sure we dry our hand completely, because then you have to put on gloves, and then we have to make sure the gloves will come in. I'm going to use 2 more papers to make sure my hand is dry completely. And the important thing is that after your hand is dry and you get to the wrist, you're not going to go back from dirty to clean. For this hand that is almost dry, I just take 2 pieces of paper and I go between my fingers. This hand is already almost dry. We get to the wrist and we throw out. So now my hands are dry. For 1 paper, I close the faucet and discard. My hands are clean.